Hi, I'm Bob. From previous videos, we know that labor is the only variable in the short run, while all other inputs are fixed. But in the long run, a firm can adjust all its inputs to keep its cost as low as possible. In our example of ice cream firm, the firm can change its factory size or purchase more ice cream machines in the long run. Because the ice cream firm can only change labor in the short run but can vary all inputs in the long run, its long run average cost is always equal to or less than the short run average cost. This graph shows how short run cost and long run cost are related. The graph shows three average total cost curves for the ice cream firm when it purchases one ice cream machine, two ice cream machines, and three ice cream machines. The three average total cost curves are short-run curves. When the firm has one ice cream machine, it can change the number of workers it employs in the short run to reach its lowest average total cost, $0.6 per ice cream cone, and its output associated with the lowest average total cost is Q1. Now suppose the firm wants to increase its output to Q2. It has no choice in the short run but to hire more workers to work on the one ice cream machine. Because of the diminishing marginal product of labor, its average total cost will increase to $0.8 per ice cream cone. In the long run, however, the ice cream firm can purchase one more ice cream machine. One more ice cream machine raises the probability of labor. The average total cost drops to $0.5 per ice cream cone. If the firm wants to produce Q3 units of output, it can also adjust the number of workers and the number of ice cream machines to minimize its average total cost at that output level. That is to say, for each output level, there is a combination of labor and capital that minimizes the average total cost. The long-run average total cost curve has a much flatter U-shape than the short-run average total cost curve. All the short-run curves lie on or above the long-run curve because the firm has greater flexibility in the long run. In the long run, the firm adjusts the number of workers and chooses the number of ice cream machines to minimize the cost of production. In this case, it will purchase two ice cream machines, which leads to the lowest average total cost for all possible output levels. We notice that when the firm changes the capital or the number of ice cream machines, it can reach a lower average total cost in the long run, which is the Q2 output level in our case. But as it continues to increase capital, the lowest average total cost it can reach rises, which corresponds to the Q3 output level in the graph. We can imagine that if there were infinite short-run average total cost curves that represent the firm's behavior at each output level, then the lowest points of all these short-run curves form a long-run average total cost curve. In the long run, when the average total cost is decreasing while output is increasing, the firm is experiencing increasing economies of scale or increasing returns to scale. When the long-run average total cost is rising while producing more output, the firm is experiencing decreasing economies of scale or decreasing returns to scale. The minimum point on the long-run average total cost curve represents the lowest average total cost at which the firm can operate in the long run. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.